What's going on, guys? Friday here at the shop. Just got the DTF printer number 1 turned on. I'm ripping the file that we have to get printed for today. It's a pretty short file in comparison. It's only 394 inches, so should be able to get this printed out in time. But Michaela and I are going to be doing something a little bit different today. So normally, you guys know we come in on Saturdays, film our learning videos, and then get them all edited and everything like that. But if you guys watched my video earlier in the week, I was talking how I wanted to spend a little bit more time on the edit in these videos. So my goal today is to try and get the learning video filmed on top of all of our other DTF work and getting these guys dropped off to FedEx at the end of the day. So I'm pretty sure that we can do all of this, but we just have to make sure that we are staying on task, making sure that everything gets done in the proper order and that we're not putting the learning video above the orders that have to go out, because normally we do film these on Saturday, like I was saying. And on Saturday, there aren't any orders that have to be printed and shipped because the shipping carriers aren't open. So on Saturdays, we can really spend a lot of time just like heads down, focused on getting these videos filmed. But today, since it is Friday, I'm not going to be able to spend as much time just dedicated to that. I'm going to need to be able to multitask here. So I know I can do it. I just need to make sure that I am staying focused. Everything is, I actually just think I might have seen a problem on the printer, but I actually think it'll be all right once we get it going. All right, so the problem that I'm talking about right here is the yellow ink line. So as you can see, it's turning more yellow as it goes. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that, but there is actually supposed to be magenta, yellow, cyan, and black. And the magenta is starting to turn now, but it's still a little weird. I noticed this right when I was just saying that, and I got worried. But then I came back here and looked at the ink lines, and it hadn't propagated all the way back here, thankfully. So it was just from yesterday. We put a little bit too much capping solution in the DTF printer, and it actually went back up into the print lines, into the ink lines for the printer. So that is obviously a pretty serious problem and something that we want to make sure that we try and avoid so that it doesn't happen. But I have a load ink running right now, so that's just basically flushing all of the ink and pulling it through the tubes so that we're getting some new fresh ink through the dampers, through the printhead, and through the ink lines. So that should solve the issue, but the magenta still looked a little weird, not gonna lie. Actually, I think it's all good. I'm just tripping. I think it's the lighting because that one has the light bar under it and DTF printer number 3 and 4 don't. So I think it'll be all right. I'll start running a print, but the lines in the back are good. So I know that it's just a matter of the ink lines from the printhead all the way over here. So it's just probably like right here that the capping solution managed to go up into the lines. And yeah, obviously it's definitely not ideal, but I think my file is almost done ripping here in Digital Factory, 60%, so just a little bit longer on that one. I can actually go ahead and now run a cleaning since there is still going to be some leftover ink left in the capping station here after you run a load ink. So this cleaning will take care of that, and then it'll also wipe the print heads after it's done loading a little bit of ink, cleaning it, and we'll see what the status of the print nozzles are today here on DTF printer number 1. Fresh stuff or anything, it's like, it's on there. And we've definitely learned our lessons since to try and keep the printers a little bit more clean, but sometimes some of the stuff like this actually has been on here forever. This is just because when they used to ship the printers, they used this like mirror stainless steel stuff, but now, if you guys can see that over there on DTF printer number 4, it's kind of a, I don't want to say powder coated, but just like a normal metal finish rather than this mirror-like on the DTF printer number 1 and 2. But with that, they used some like adhesive plastic when they actually shipped it. So when we took it off, it left this residue and we've been unable to get it off. So I just ran the cleaning. Let's run a test and see what the nozzles look like. So we have a little bit of issues with the magenta. The cyan looks good, the yellow looks good, the black does too. So the one side of the Magenta is almost good, but there's still just like a little piece of something that's not quite worked out there. So we should be able to run another head cleaning and get this guy in working order. Let's check the status of Digital Factory. We're all good. So once we get the DTF print head clean, we should be good to get this order ran. So I started up another head cleaning, and I did just notice that the ink is low on the white, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that refilled right now while the head cleaning is going.
Midnight oil in the air, I'll blink. DTF flooding out magenta and pink. Every run clean.
All right, the cleaning is just about to finish up. So I'll get this added, and then we'll do another nozzle check and see what the print status is, and if we can get this guy running.
Barcode sync, solo in the zone, I don't even think. Came from the bottom, now the rolls don't stop. Printing these sheets like we're serving a block. Auto feed, homie, he's still hot. Been on my world from a 10-10 spot. Pressure, nah, breathe that in. Every pixel pop, that's a signature win. I ain't posting a hustle, I live in the spin. No ghost in the machine, just a guy with a grin. Run the press, topless. Solo steps, no stress. Color drip like VVS. Microwave dreams, no rest. Run the press, talk less. Midnight shift, I'm next. Every sheet finesse. DTF flex, no guess. Press 1T at a time.
All right, let's see what we are looking like. All right, my magenta cleared up, but the cyan now has an issue. I just noticed that the wiper blade doesn't look like it's been cleaned in a hot minute, so I'll go ahead and clean this off. We'll run another head cleaning, and then fingers crossed this will be good to go after this, guys. See how that does.
UPS stacking, that's daily shine. Got no boss, that freedom's mine. Y'all dreaming, I blueprinted. Put the heat to the film, watch me imprint it. Roll up slow, smart the print come fast. No shortcut when you build to last. Every job I press build it on. I ain't just running, I'm building a throne. One man shop with a million tone. I ain't crabbies hustling stone. It's just heat. Press guys don't sleep from the road to the street. That's me. That's me. That's me. Clock don't tick, I just move. Box by box, groove by groove. Gang sheet spinning, heat on 10. Labels printed like it's never going in. DTF buzz like a spaceship hum. Back-to-back jobs, I ain't missing one. Foot on the floor, print Q deep. 100 orders in and I still don't sleep. Running this shop like a relay race. No handoff, I'm sit, I pace. Shrink wrap tight, tape in place. All in the blur, still moving with grace. Can't stop the flow, print, pack, go. Working this fast, make time move slow.
All right, guys. Got the print loaded up. Everything was good on the third or fourth nozzle check. I can't remember how many it actually ended up taking. But after that, I was running into an issue with the film where I think you guys can see that right there. So we cut off like an 11 by 11 yesterday when we were finishing up because we needed it. It didn't turn out. And I thought that I could just make it work, but it was not going well, and it ended up causing a little bit of an issue right there, if you guys can't tell or not. But it's okay. We got it fixed, moved the film down a little bit, and then ran another head cleaning, and turns out there actually wasn't any issues with the head. Thank gosh, man. Knock on, I don't have any wood around me, but you know what I'm saying. So we'll just let this guy start running. Keep an eye on it, make sure everything looks good, but prints are looking solid so far. So we'll just keep an eye on these guys, make sure everything stays looking good. But Honestly, I do think that it's probably going to be like, I just got to get these guys dropped off to FedEx, and then maybe I can come back after and we can get these guys filmed. But I do not think that it's going to be something where I can kind of like go back and forth in between running the DTF printer and filming the video. It's just, they're not, and it's only, I'm running one DTF printer right now. Like, imagine if I was actually running all 3 or 4 of them, that would definitely not be possible. But I don't even think it's possible with just one printer and trying to film the video. It's just like, it wouldn't, why half-ass 2 things when you could whole-ass 1? So that's kind of the approach I'll take with this. We'll try and get these guys finished up, get them dropped off to FedEx, and then we'll come back to the shop, get the video filmed. I have to actually film 2 because I got to do the learning video for Sunday, as well as the video that I have to post tomorrow on the channel. So I got the videos planned. I'm just behind on the actual execution. So tomorrow I'm going to be posting a like react to TikTok's video. So I think it'll be.
Can't stop the flow, ink drip glow. Every game clean, watch my hustle show. Peel it back, feel no second guess. Everything right, I don't do less. Running like I got clones in here, but it's just me and a vision that's clear. White powder fly like snow in the press. Quality loud, you can hear success. No cut corners or sharp routines. It's the real work behind the scenes. Can't stop the flow, print, pack, go, let's go. Working this fast, make time move slow. Can't stop the flow, I'm built for this, bro. From the film to the street, DTF in control.
Alright, got the shop cleaned up a little bit. Everything looks a lot better. So I got that going. At least we can start filming after the prints are done and we get them dropped off to FedEx. But we got 15% logged on this print. Things are looking real good. No problems. So we're going to keep on going. Should take out the trash, but I honestly don't want to, but I really should. I don't think I'm going to film my video out here. I'm not entirely sure yet. I think I might do it as a walking around type of video. Don't know. Alright, so I had to call a little bit of an audible and get DTF printer number 2 up because I did not think that we were going to be able to get that sheet printed in time. So I cut the file in half and now I have it running on DTF printer number 2. And then when DTF printer number 1 gets to 50%, we can go ahead and cut this one and then we will be good to go. So this one's currently at 38%, so just a little bit longer to go, and then we will be all done. DTF printer number 2 is also at 38%, but that one only has half of the file. This one still has the full 100% file. I didn't re-rip this one because, I mean, why? I can just stop the print when it gets to 50%, and then everything will be good to go. I won't have to waste any time re-ripping the file with the printer down or anything like that. And this way, things can keep on moving and grooving, and we should be able to hit our mark, get them dropped off to FedEx in time.
Hey. Moving through the smoke, watch the machines glow. Late nights, early mornings, that's the life though. Printed dreams, yeah, we stacking scenes. DTF making money, running magazines. Printers rolling, ink flow like lava. Checking numbers, counting commas, got me feeling proper. 2 machines back to back, moving non-stop. In the lab, cooking, turn my hustle to the top. Steady printing, that's precision, watch the time lapse. Money calling, gotta hustle where my mind at. In my zone, ink dripping, colors vivid now. Pressure heating, steady scheming, about to shut it down. Lights flash, UV curing, got the city lit. Night shift, overtime, swear I never quit. Check the quality, perfection, every detail matters. I've been climbing steady, grinding, watch my pockets fatter. Printers rolling, ink flow like lava. Checking numbers, counting commas, got me feeling proper. Two machines back to back, moving non-stop. In the lab, cooking, turn my hustle to the top. Moving sheets, flip the profit, that's my daily flex. No days off, every prick, cash another check. Inkjet streams, color vivid, got that neon glow. Print shop buzzing, got these stacks falling dominoes. Smoke in the air, print room looking cinematic. Run it automatic, visuals holographic. My ambition ain't no limit, set the printer plays. Building brands, moving silent money different ways. Laser precision, my vision clearer. Check reflections in the ink, see the winner clearer. Every second count, the hustle real contagious. Printed dreams come alive, filling up these pages. Printers rolling, ink flow like lava. Checking numbers, counting commas, got me feeling